Hi everyone, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to restrict a product collection with a minimum order limit quantity for your wholesale customers in Shopify. For example, if you have a winter collection and want your wholesale buyers to order at least 20 items from that collection, this video will help you to set that rule easily inside your wholesale store. Let's see how it works. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For setting this restriction on product collection, I'm using B2B order limit app, which is available from the Shopify app store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. So after installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on order limit section. Now click on create new role. Since we are limiting our product by collection, we can go for the second option, which is the collection limit, and click on this select button from here, and you can name the rule here. So I'm adding minimum order limit rule for winter collection, since I'm planning to give this limit for my winter collections in the store. If you have any descriptions, which is completely optional, we can describe here how it works and all those. That description of that rule you can add up here. Let's say like minimum order quantity set for window collection has 20. So my minimum quantity requirement for the collection will be 20, and I'm planning to give this rule for all the wholesale buyers. If you have any restriction on customer targeting, like customers should be having some specific tags, or those who have spent above some an amount of limit, then those targeting you can set up over here. For now, I'm adding this rule for all the customers, and on clicking add collections, you can browse the collections from here. Since I'm adding this rule for the winter collection, I'm selecting this. If you have any multiple collections to select, you can select more here and click on select from here and go for the minimum quantity as 20. I'm not giving any maximum quantity here so that the customers can buy as they wish without any maximum quantity limit. And if you need to apply the limit on individual products, like this collection is having 4 products, and among these 4 products, if you have any individual restrictions, you can add up that here by enabling this. Otherwise, you can disable it. And in case of advanced settings, you can customize the error messages as you wish by enabling this. Otherwise, we can go for the default one. By disabling it, the default messages will be shown up in the checkout page. And if you want to restrict the message and the cart itself, you can enable this. Otherwise, this will be available in the checkout. So after adding all these details, make sure that the status is active and then go for saving the changes. Now let's try this out in our online store. So this is one of the product which is out of the collection. I'm trying to buy 15 of this product. So this our checkout page will not be showing up any error or restriction messages of that minimum purchase requirement, because this product is out of our collection one. Now let's try with the winter collection products. So this product is one of them. So I'm trying to buy a quantity of 15. Let's add this to the cart. So you can see that the quantity of the product in the collection must be at least 20. That error messages has been populated here. Since we have added only 15, we cannot buy this product of this scenario. Let's try to add some more number. So let's add 30 products here. So this minimum quantity rule has been applied, which is 30, which is the above 20. So we can buy this product without any restrictions. So this is how you can enable or restrict the product collections with a minimum order limit quantity in your wholesale store. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.